Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can open up your Reels drafts on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, drafts are pretty much incomplete Reels, which you can edit at a further date if you want to change anything, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly where you can go to edit them. So what you need to do, if you have any drafts saved on your account, just go into your account, and once you're at your account, right below your account info, you'll see your posts. Click on the Reels, and here, as you'll see, you have your drafts. So just click on them and you'll see exactly which drafts you have. So select the draft that you want, and now, as you can see, you can save that draft, or you can click on edit in the top right. You can also change any other settings here, but if you click edit, that'll take you over into the draft editor. And oh, look at that. For some reason, I couldn't edit my text before, but now I can. Now my options are actually working, so you can change the text like this and drag it around. And yeah, once you're done making changes, you can just click next, and then you can finally share it, or you can save the draft again and continue working on it at a later date. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. Let me just go ahead and enter the draft again. As you can see, the changes have been saved, and yeah, that's pretty much as easy as it gets. So let me just repeat it. You just need to go over into your account, go into your Reels, and you'll see a draft section right over there. Now, what you will, what can happen is if you reinstall or delete the Instagram app, all your real drafts will be deleted as well. So keep that in mind. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.